Hello, friends! Ready for an ABC animal adventure? Can you find all the animals and learn every letter? Stay until the end for a special surprise. Let's go! Unicorn. Unicorn. Let's say it together. Unicorn. Unicorn. Amazing! Look, it's a unicorn. Unicorns are magical and colorful. Can you pretend to be a unicorn? Wonderful! Now, point to the unicorn's horn. There it is! Great job! Bye-bye, unicorn! Vulture. Vulture. Can you say vulture? Vulture. Vulture. Fantastic! It's a vulture. Vultures have very large wings. Can you spread your arms like giant wings? Stretch wide, stretch wide. Awesome! You're flying like a vulture. Bye-bye, vulture. Wolf. Wolf. Say wolf with me. Wolf. Wolf. Great job! It's a wolf. Wolves love to howl. Can you howl like a wolf? Ow! Ow! Wow, that was a great howl. Can you find the wolf's fluffy tail? There it is! Excellent! Bye-bye, wolf! It's playtime! Can you find the unicorn? Look carefully. Is it this one? Or this one? Or this one? Let's see. It's the unicorn! Great job! Now, can you find the vulture? Look carefully. Ready? Let's find it. Is it this one? Or this one? Or this one? There it is! The vulture! Awesome work! One more. Can you find the wolf? Look closely. You can do it. Is it this one? Or this one? Or this one? There it is! The wolf! Fantastic! Give yourself a big clap. Let's keep learning. X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Let's say it together. X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Look, it's an X-ray fish. X-ray fish are tiny fish that swim in groups. Can you wiggle like a little fish? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Fantastic! You're swimming just like a fish. Bye-bye, X-ray fish. Yak. Yak. Can you say yak? Yak. Yak. Awesome! Look, it's a yak. Yaks have long, shaggy hair to keep them warm. Can you rub your arms and stay warm like a yak? Brr! Now warm up! Great job! Bye-bye, yak! Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Let's say zebra together. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Excellent! Look, it's a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Can you count with me? 1 stripe, 2 stripes, 3 stripes. Amazing counting! Can you point to the zebra's stripes? You found them! Fantastic! Bye-bye, zebra! It's playtime! Can you spot this animal? Look closely at the shadow swimming around. It lives in the water and loves to splash. 3, 2, 1. It's a fish! Swish, swish! Wonderful guessing! Time for a new challenge. This animal is big and fluffy. Look at its shadow carefully. Can you figure it out? 3, 2, 1. It's a yak! Moo! Moo! You got it right! The last one. This animal loves to run across the grasslands. Take a good look at the shadow. Who could it be? 3, 2, 1. It's a zebra! Clip, clop, clip, clop. Fantastic job!
Hey friends, come with me. Let's learn ABCs. 1, 2, 3, clap your hands, tap your knees. Let's learn animals with ABCs. ABC, sing with me. Animals from A to Z. ABC, come and see. Learning letters happily. A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, take a nap. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, bow, wow, wow. ABC, sing with me. Animals from A to Z. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, sing along. G is for giraffe, standing tall. H is for horse, gallop along. I is for iguana, green and bright. J is for jaguar, running light. K is for kangaroo, jump so high. L is for lion, roar to the sky. A, B, C, sing with me. Animals from A to Z. M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for narwhal, in the sea. O is for owl, hoo, hoo, hoo. P is for panda, chewing bamboo. Q is for quail, small and sweet. R is for rabbit, hopping feet. S is for shark, swim so fast. T is for tiger, stripes that last. A, B, C, sing with me. Animals from A to Z. U is for unicorn, shining bright. V is for vulture, soaring high. W is for wolf, howl at night. X is for x-ray, fish out of sight. Y is for yak, soft and strong. Z is for zebra, sing this song. A to Z, now we know. Great job, friends, way to go. A, B, C, sing with me. Animals from A to Z. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Learning letters happily. A, B, C, sing with me. Animals from A to Z. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Learning letters happily. A to Z. A to Z. You're amazing. Yes, indeed. Come racing.
Fantastic job! You matched the letters, found the animals, and completed the ABC challenge. Give yourself a big cheer! Bye-bye and see you soon!